Today I am cleaning my laundry area. As you can see, I don't have a laundry room. The washer and dryer is right off of the kitchen. Since the back door is here, over here I have kind of created an entryway area with a tray that I decorate for every season. I keep my mail in this tray. It looks pretty clean over here, but I really need to dust and get rid of a few more things I'm not using. So let's get started. This over here is really bugging me, so I'm going to see what is up here because I don't even remember. Okay, so that and a rock that says love that one of my kids made. I am going to throw this away. I'm gonna throw these away. I don't have a dog anymore. And this is trash. I have my s'more things in here. I kind of forget that I have this. I'm going to move it over to the kitchen. We have an iron. It's so dusty. I think these are fixtures for the car, LED lights for the car. I use this. I don't really use this and it's old, so I'm gonna throw it away. I don't use this. This is static guard and I will keep that. It's still good until February of 26. This is my detergent. Liquid fabric softener. I use that. This is powder detergent. I throw my little knickknacks in here. I need to get more paper towels. I'm running low. This is where I like to keep them. Now it's time to put everything back. I don't really use this. It's for grocery bags, so I'm going to let this go. In this cabinet, I keep extra cleaning supplies, car washing supplies up here. My vitamins and medicines are on this shelf. I would love to one day paint this area. What do you guys think? What color should I go with? These are stairs to the basement. This side I will keep white to match the washer and dryer. I'm not sure about what to do here though. I couldn't help it. I got my entry tray decorated for Christmas.